Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own version of Hojalata art, otherwise known as tin art. Your first step today is going to be to draw a heart with something you love inside it represented. Now I've done this in a marker just so you can see it better, but I want you to draw it in pencil. I have heart tracers if you want to use heart tracers, or you can draw it on your own, but you want it to be about this size. After you draw all of your details, you're going to take your piece of paper and you're going to tape it to your piece of heavy foil. This is not regular foil like what's in your kitchen. This is very thick. You also need to be careful not to cut yourself on the edge. So what I'm doing here is I am taking pieces of paper and I am taping, not pieces of paper, pieces of tape, and I am taping it to the foil. You want to still be able to see your image, so just make sure wherever you tape it that you're not covering your image. Your next step is going to be to redraw everything you drew on the paper. And what we're doing is we are essentially pressing through or embossing the foil. To do this, you kind of have to decide what you're comfortable with. On your table, I'm going to have some dull pencils and some ballpoint pens, and you just kind of have to play around with it to see what you like best. You are literally going to press down over your lines. So you'll kind of be able to feel it digging into the foil. One way you can check is to flip it over and you can start to see the line that you just created. So I'm going to keep going here. It's important to pay attention to where you left off. The nice thing about using a pen is I can kind of see the color I'm using, which shows me where I have drawn it. And if your paper tears, that's okay. I just keep flipping over to see if it's working. And you just keep doing this until you've done everything. And when you're finished, you will take the tape off of the paper and you will start to color with Sharpie. So I have a long ways to go here, but hopefully you can see, I know there's a glare, hopefully you can see the raised edges. I can tell right here it's not raised as much, so I would probably go back over that a second time. Okay, happy embossing to you.